Hello traders. Welcome to this week's Forex Profit of the Week update. We are going to discuss about Euro and US dollar pair. Why the pair Euro to US dollar is one of the interesting pair to watch for this week. This past week, the Euro to US dollar pair saw bullish momentum fueled by mounting recession fears in the US. The manufacturing business activity data signaled a downturn, sparking concerns over economic health. While this initially boosted the dollar, it also heightened expectations for a rate cut by the Federal Reserve in September, keeping the bullish sentiment for the Euro to US dollar alive. The US labor market is showing signs of slowing down, with non-farm payrolls missing expectations. This data highlights reduced job vacancies and sluggish private sector growth, putting further pressure on the dollar. As a result, the weaker employment outlook has contributed to the recent decline in the dollar, giving the Euro to US dollar an upward push. With mixed signals from the US economy, rate cut expectations are on the rise. Investors are betting that weaker data will prompt the Federal Reserve to take action, increasing the likelihood of a rate cut at the September meeting. This anticipation has fueled a bullish stance on the Euro to US dollar, as the market prices in potential monetary easing. Looking ahead, all eyes are on the US inflation data set to be released next week. With the last report showing cooling price pressures nearing the Fed's 2% target, the market is eager to see if this trend continues. The outcome could be crucial, as it may influence the Fed's decision on rate cuts and impact the direction of the Euro to US dollar. The narrative surrounding rate cuts is gaining momentum, with confidence growing that the Federal Reserve will act decisively at its next meeting. A softer-than-expected inflation report could tip the scales towards a more aggressive 50 bps rate cut, adding further bullish momentum to the Euro to US dollar as traders brace for potential easing from policymakers. Now, what the technical chart shown us. Let's go to the chart now. Let's open the daily chart. Euro to US dollar attempted to move lower on Friday, affected by strong labor data from the US. However, with the stochastic indicator moving higher in the middle range, we expect Euro to US dollar to consolidate with high volatility this week, driven by the upcoming ECB rate decision and US inflation data. Key support levels are at 1.1026 and 1.0949, while resistance levels are at 1.1129 and 1.1199. If volatility increases, Euro to US dollar could test either the support or resistance levels, depending on the outcomes of the economic events. Remember to always be aware of your risk management before entering any positions. Okay, that's all for today's analysis. See you in the next video.